Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Student Supportomatic. Like, share my video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Table for trigonometric ratios of specific angles. So today in this video I will show you the simple method to remember the table values of a trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. These are the some specific values, specific angles of the trigonometric ratios. That is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. These five values are five angles are the some specific angles of the trigonometric ratios. So the first is sine theta. In place of theta we assign 0, 30, 45, 60 degree and 90 degree. So we have to remember these values for sine 0 value, sine 0 degree value, sine 30 degree value, sine 45 degree value and sine 60 degree value and sine 90 degree value. Remember this, the sine value, sine theta value varies from 0 to 1. The first value is 0 and the last value is 1. So it is easy to remember the sine 0 value and sine 90 value. Sine 0 value is 0 and sine 90 value is 1. So you have to remember only the three values that comes for 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree. Let's we see the values. Now sine 0 degree. Sine 0 degree is 0. Sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. After 0 it becomes 1 by 2. After 1 by 2 it becomes 1 by root 2. So sine 45 degree value is what? 1 by root 2. And next is the sine 60 value. Sine 60 value is root 3 by 2. So next sine 90 value, that is 1. So sine value starts with 0 and ends with 1. So in between only three value because three value is there. One is 1 by 2, 1 by root 2 and root 3 by 2. You have to remember only these three values. Okay. So if you remember if the sine values, then on the basis of these sine values we can easily write the complete table values. Okay, so next we will go for the next ratio, that is after sine it always comes cos theta. Okay, cos theta. Cos theta is just the reverse of the sine theta. Remember this, cos theta is just the reverse of the sine theta. So we will write the cos theta value start with 1 and ends with 0. Okay, so we'll write in the reverse order of the sine value. Okay, so first value, the sine 90 is what? 1. So cos 0 becomes 1. Sine 90 is 1. So cos 0 is 1. Next what is the next reverse value? That is root 3 by 2. So we'll write the next value as root 3 by 2. That is the cos 30 value. Okay. So next is the cos 45 value. So after root 3 by 2 in reverse order it is 1 by root 2. So we'll write 1 by root 2 for cos 45 degree. It means the sine 45 degree and cos 45 degree both have the same value. Okay. Next is the next reversed value sine 30, that is 1 by 2. So cos 60 becomes 1 by 2. And sine 0 is 0. So cos 90 is 0. Okay. So the sine value, you remember the sine value and write those values in reverse order for cos. So easily you can write the two values, two ratios values. Now we will go for the third value. Third ratio is tan theta. Now tan theta is the what? Tan theta? Tan theta is equal to what? Sin theta by cos theta. Tan theta always is equal to sin theta by cos theta. We already know the sin theta value and cos theta value. Easily we can write the tan theta value. means sin theta by cos theta means what? 0 by 1. Sin theta value, first sin 0 by cos 0, so 0 by 1. So anything that 0 by anything, that is equal to 0. So tan 0 value is what? 0. Okay. Next, similarly, tan 30-degree value, that is sine is 1 by 2 and cos is root 3 by 2. Similarly, that is sine is 1 by 2, cos is root 3 by 2. Here, when we divide sine by cos, the two denominator get cancelled. The remaining is 1 by root 3. Okay. So, when we remember this sine theta and cos theta value, we can easily write the tan theta value. Next value, sine 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2, that get cancelled, remaining is only 1. Okay, so tan 45 degree is what? 1. Next, sine 60 is root 3 by 2 and cos 60 is 1 by 2. So when we divide these two value, denominator 2 get cancelled, remaining is root 3 by 1, but we can write it as a root 3. Okay, so the last is 90 degree. Sine 90 is 1, cos 90 is 0, 1 divided by 0. If the 0 divides anything, it may be a infinity. So it will be the infinity. So it is not defined. Okay, so this is about the tan value. So this is the half of the table, and remaining three more ratios are there. That is a cot theta, secant theta and cosecant theta. Okay, so that is also very easy to write. So when you remember this value, but remember these all values mainly depends on the sine value. So first you remember only the sine value, then you can easily write the cos value and tan value. Now next ratio is cot theta. Cot theta is just a reverse order of tan theta. Okay, easily you can write cot theta as the reverse order of the tan theta values. So tan 90 degree is not defined, so cot 90 degree is not, cot 0 degree is not defined. Next value is root 3. So next here after not defined, for cot 30 it becomes root 3, and 45 is 1 1, and next 30 and 60 is 1 by root 2, so it becomes 1 by root 2, and 0 0. Okay, so sine is the reverse of the cos and cot is the reverse of the tan. Okay, so next we go for the next table value, next ratio, that is the secant theta. Okay, secant theta is the reciprocal of the cos theta. Secant theta is equal to what? 1 by cos theta. It means what? Secant theta is the reciprocal of the cos theta. So we'll just write the reciprocal of the cos values. That is cos 0 degree is 1. So 1 by 1 is 1. Now cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. So we will write it as a 2 by root 3. So we are just interchanging the numerator and denominator. Okay, it is the reciprocal. It is called reciprocal. So root 3 by 2 is there. So for secant it becomes what? 2 by root 3. Next, cos 45 degrees 1 by root 2. The reciprocal of 1 by root 2. So root 2 becomes the numerator and 1 becomes the denominator. So it is what? Root 2. And next, cos 60 is 1 by 2. So the reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2. And next is the 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is what? It is not defined. So secant 90 is not defined. Now the last ratio is what? Cosecant theta. Cosecant theta. This is also the reverse form of the secant theta. Similarly, when we write sine, cos is the reverse values of the sine theta. So here secant and cosecant is also the reverse values of secant theta is so cosecant theta is the reverse of the secant theta. So cosecant theta, secant 90 is not defined, cosecant 0 is not defined, secant 60 is 2, so cosecant 30 is 2, and secant root 2 is 45 is root 2, and cosecant 45 is root 2, and secant 30 is 2 by root 3 and cosecant 60 is 2 by root 3 and secant 0 is 1 and cosecant 90 is 1. So these are the table values, and if you first learn these table values, then easily you can solve the trigonometric ratios problems. Thank you.